JDCap 26 here. Just your tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we're going to open this package up here. You can. A crappy knife. Got the microphone in the way. And a little box here. Open that up. And these are razor holders to hold your razor. I'm gonna do another video on them, showing you what they look like when they're up on the wall or the mirror. Get one out here, and there it is. It's tacky part. It's tacky on this side. It's got this film. You got to peel the film off. Look at it. So stay tuned for another video. Thanks for watching. God bless you.